Okay guys, we're gonna make this really cute flower with this kit that you have. And so you have 3 pipe cleaners. You have a pink, a green, and a tiny yellow. We're gonna get started with this pink one. We're just gonna make a very small circle. This is gonna be your first petal. You're gonna overlap and twist around to make your first petal. The next one is going to be just about the same size but slightly bigger, and you're gonna twist a couple times and it's going to be the same size. And then you're gonna do it again. Twist. And one more time. Twist. And then you're gonna take the extra and just bring it down back over here behind. You can make your petals a little bit more round if you don't really like them too much. There you go. So now you got this guy like this, and you've got this little thing sticking out back behind. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our yellow and we're going to bend just a little bit like this, and then we're just going to twist down and spiral around a few times, because this is gonna be the center of our flower. We're gonna take this piece here and move it towards the back. So now you have this little circle, kind of like a nail shape. And then we're gonna take our flower again, and you're just gonna go in between 2 of the petals, and you're gonna twist it on there, and then you're gonna go like this and kind of bend it down, and you're kind of making a stem base here. And then you're just gonna twist it together to secure it. And there you go, you've got your stem. And then you can kind of play with your petals a little bit, fluff them out, squish them together, make them look cute. All right. Now we have to cover it up with the green. So I would say go down here and go in between, because you kind of folded that over to kind of connect that green and give it a green bottom. Twist it over itself and twist around. And then you're just gonna twist up and around your stem. And you're gonna cover everything that's not green to make it green. Go up, and then you have a little bit of extra, so if you've covered everything, you can make a petal. If you haven't covered everything, you can go back down again. But if you wanted to make a petal, it might look something like this. You could have your little petal right here if you have some extra and you want to do that. If not, you can just cover and it'll look super cute. So there you go. There's your flower with your very few pipe cleaners. Hope you guys had fun. Show your flower off, show it to us. If you can, get on Instagram and tag us at Ascend Art Co. We would love to see it. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Happy spring and happy twisting.